Look closely at the parameter, name equals there, and notice the second call passes nothing at all. So, what does an empty call print? Hello Sam, then hello there. The first call gave a name, the second gave nothing. So it fell back to the built-in default. That equals sign in the definition makes the argument optional. Give a parameter a fallback. So some arguments become optional. A default value is used only when the caller doesn't provide one. The trick is that equals inside the definition. Name equals there says, if someone calls greet without a name, use there. If they do pass a name, their value wins. This sets a default. The value name takes when no argument is given. Pass a name and it overrides the default. Pass nothing, and the default there quietly fills in our greet function again. But now the name slot comes preloaded with a fallback value there, so the body always has something to work with. The caller's value if they gave one, otherwise the default. You can mix must-have parameters with optional ones. Real functions often mix the two. Here, base is required. You must give a number to raise. But exp defaults to 2, so if you only want squaring, you can leave it off. Base is required. xb is optional, defaulting to 2. Call with just base, and xb falls back to 2, so this is 5 squared. Pass both, and your exp of 3 takes over. 5 cubed, 25, then 125. Same function, but the second argument was optional. Provide it for cubes, skip it for squares. Defaults let one function cover the common case effortlessly and the rare case fully. Real quick, if this is clicking for you, tap that like button. It genuinely helps other beginners find the series. And hit subscribe so the next episode lands right in your feed. We call power with just 5, base becomes 5. xp got nothing, so it uses its default. 2 and 5 to the power 2 returns 25. The default silently completed the call. There's a single rule Python enforces about order. The rule? Every parameter with a default must come after the ones without. Required first, optional last. Put a default before a required parameter, and Python throws a syntax error on the spot, because it wouldn't know how to fill the gap. Required, then optional. Always. Before you go, the entire Python 0 to Pro playlist is linked in the description. Every episode in order, start to finish. Go bookmark it and binge the rest. So, a default value, written with equals in the definition, makes a parameter optional. Skip it, and the fallback kicks in. Provide it, and your value wins. Just remember the one rule. Optional parameters have to come after the required ones. Defaults are how you make a function simple to call for the common case. Without giving up flexibility, write a function called join that takes 2 words and an optional separator that defaults to a space and prints them joined. Call it once with a separator and once without. Go build it. Next up, the stars. Letting a function accept any number of arguments at all.